Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Just want to give you a quick overview of what is going on, the next process and the stage we are at the moment in terms of the building project. We have commenced the plastering of our building project. So this is the stage we are right now, plastering the house and also getting the windows done. So we are plastering the whole house. Yeah, so this is the project, this is the process we are at the moment. So we are in the middle of plastering the house, and plastering it involves getting a sharp sand and a gum sand, then mix it with cement and water. So this is what we are doing now. And also for the outside of the house, we also we purchased a bamboo tree to use it as a step, so that the plaster man will use it to climb. It's kind of a ladder. Put the bamboo trees all around the building and hold it together and make it together as a step with nail. 5-inch nail is what we used to put the bamboo tree together, make them as a step, so that the plaster workers will climb on top of it to be able to do the plastering of the wall outside. So this is what we are doing. So we are in the middle of plastering the whole building, and also electrical guys on the site doing the electrical work. They are doing some of the piping, and also the plumber worker is also on the site doing the piping, the internal wall piping of the plumbing, in terms of making sure that we connected the pipes for the water, for the toilet, and for laundry, the kitchen. So all the areas that we need water within the property. So the plumber guy is doing his own work, piping the whole area that needs to be done, like bathroom, toilet, stuff like that, and also wash hand basin in the kitchen, wash hand basin, and also where we need water, the tap, likewise in the whole bathroom and toilet within the property. So the plumber guy is doing his work. The electrical guy is also doing his own electrical piping, so that upstairs, so that once it's done that, the plaster guys will do the plaster. But at the moment they are doing the plastering, they started downstairs, and also the guy that is doing the window is also within the property, also doing his own alumaco windows. Just to give you overview how things are progressing, taking it slow and steady, and things are moving according to the plan. So this is what I thought to give you kind of overview where we are at the moment in terms of the building project. So this is the next step, or the next level we are embarking on, plastering the whole house and putting the window. Then after that, they will look into putting the doors and progress to doing the POP and etc. etc. So just to give you overview, some area the plaster are done rough, where we would need to put the tiles. Some area are smooth, so like the kitchen, where we will put some tiles, the plaster tend to be rough. Then the living rooms and the parlor are done smooth. The laundry room and the kitchen, where we will put tiles, the plaster, the material, how it's done is done rough. Like the video, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. If there's any question, feel free to ask. Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah, room. I bidoro na this room. Yeah, room ha mere yesterday. So this room now they go okay. Yeah. Emechabe piping. Emechabe piping ebe. That's the WC piping. Emechazi ya there now. They will now enter there. So ebe now rod. The center lock. Then let me go. The plaster is going so fast. So yeah, it's dining. The dining now can then ebe now part. The sitting room. There. So they are working on it now. And dining too. So another place now, the waiting room. This is the waiting room. The plaster is going so fast and smoothly. And this is another room. Wow, very neat. And also has it's a thick plaster. Very thick. Kagawo ake and Ako Jide. So the work is going. Okay. Then yeah, we the electrician with the girl. They are doing the chestering of the wall. So they are doing their chestering. Chestering of the wall. So as you can see, the electrical piping. Okay. Now this one is the plumbing work. The plumbing work. The pipe. So the work is going. It's going. Then this is the master's room. They are here now doing their piping. This is the mechanical engineer doing his piping. Okay. And this is the electrical engineer doing his chestering of wall for pipe.